Hey everyone! Recently, I stayed at Disney's Contemporary Resort in a Waterview room. I wanted to share my experience with you so that you could come along and see this beautiful monorail resort for yourself. First thing you've got is going to be your bathroom. Got a separate room for a toilet. Some incredible theming. Big shower with a bathtub. And your H2O products. We got our bathroom, got our sinks, towels. Love the mirror. Hi friends! Some nice double sinks. We've got our closet with some more IP. Got your extra pillow and blanket. Got some drawers, hangers, garment bag. Also we got our lovely steamer iron. In here, we've got our safe, more shelving units, which is wonderful. Obviously with the safe, we've got our Keurig, got our chiller. I wouldn't call it a refrigerator. It more or less chills our coffee. We've got a little bench here. And obviously we've got our rolling doors for privacy. We've got our two double or queen size beds. They look kind of like queens. We've got our storage unit down here for the ottoman. Just some extra seating if someone wants to sit down. We've got our sofa that pulls out into a twin bed. We've got our Christensen family welcome, which is so sweet. We've got lots of storage under the bed. Who wants to dare me to get under here? Anybody? We've got our incredible themes. I love these. This is for reading. You don't want to wake the neighborhood with your light. We've got a drawer with the Bible, some more storage, soft pillows. And now, let's take a look outside on our porch. Beautiful weather, beautiful day. Bay Lake Tower, Bay Lake, off in the distance. You can take a look at everything. We've got our boats, our friendship boats. We've got our pool. We're in the main tower. See from here you can see Wilderness Lodge. We've got two chairs, and a side table. Got your walkway between Bay Lake and the main tower. And then lots of activities down here, splash pad, got the pool, the garden wing. You can see Epcot way off in the distance. You can see the other resorts. Over there is Fort Wilderness. So it's an amazing view. There are no clouds today. It is absolutely perfect. I can see the swan and dolphin. So really, this room is fantastic. I love this table. This is wonderful. You want to eat something. And then, let's see if I can do this. So, this pulls out into your bed. This is Velcro, so it comes off. These go away. And you've got a fifth sleeper. Well, I'm not gonna try to put it back while I'm doing this. All right, let's see. I think that's about it, guys. Keurig, lots of stuff, your own thermostat. Watch my tips and tricks video on how to keep this bad boy on. Lots of plugs, and of course, Mickey Mouse. Hey everyone, I just wanted to share a few photos from my time at the Contemporary. Some are from the California Grill, some are from the resort, but I had the best time and I just wanted to share just a few photos from my time there.